In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add your own name or any text on your lock screen, on your widget row over here, or even down below here. So to add your name down below, it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is just pull down on your control center here, tap and hold on focus here, click on plus for new focus here, and then it'll say what do you want to focus on, so just click on custom here. And now you can just add any text you want or your name. So I'm just gonna put my channel name here, and you can also change the color as well. So I'm just gonna change it to gray here, and then you can also change the icon as well. So I'm just gonna scroll down and I'll just choose a star, for example. So now you guys can see it over here. So click next, click customize focus, and now we don't really have to do anything here, as these settings are mainly for things like notifications. So what you're gonna do is just click on focus back here, and now you can see your focus mode right here with your name underneath. So now just exit out of your settings app, slide down into control center, hold on focus again, and then just select the focus with your name on it. So I'm just gonna click on mine here, and now I can just turn off my device. And as you can see, your name will just pop up right at the bottom over here. Now, the second method, which shows you how to add your name as a widget over here, is just as simple. All you need to do is just quickly open up your device, go into the App Store, and then you're just gonna go to search here, and then you're just gonna type in any text, and then just type in widgets. Click on the first one here, and you will see an ad here, but just ignore this one and click on this one right over here, any text dash widgets. So just click on get, and once you've done that, it should load pretty quick. So you're just gonna click on open here, click on get started, and now you can just put your name in here or any text again if you guys want. And once you've typed in, just click on done here, and then click on OK. And now you can just swipe out here. You're gonna close your lock screen here, you're gonna reopen it, and you're just gonna try and just long press on the home screen here, and you're just gonna have to enter in your passcode. And now you'll see this here. So just click on customize here, click on customize current wallpaper, tap on add widgets here, and then you should see any text at the top since it does start with A. So just click on any text here, and now you have a bunch of options to choose here. So you can have multiple widgets with multiple text, but for me, since I've only put one thing here, I'm just gonna click on my name and I'm gonna choose the rectangle here. And now you should just see it pop up here. So just click on add here and just click back on your original home screen here, and you should see your name here, and you can see your name at the bottom right over here. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see videos like this in the future, and thanks for watching.